Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that x is equal to 2/3 y and y is equal to 18. And from this, we're asked what is the value of 2x minus 3. So firstly, just writing this first equation, x is equal to 2/3 times y. And we can just find x right away. We know that y is 18, so wherever we see y in this equation, we can plug in 18. And obviously there's just this one right here. So we have x is equal to 2/3 times 18. What is this? Well, you can think of this as 2 times 18 is 36 over 3. 36 divided by 3 is 12. So x is equal to 12. We're looking for 2x minus 3. So similar thing, we know the value of x, it's 12. Make sure it doesn't look like there's a decimal there. X is 12, so we can plug in 12 where we see x and get 2 times 12 instead of 2 times x minus 3. 2 times 12 is 24. Again, minus 3, 24 minus 3 is 21. So the value of 2x minus 3 is 21 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.